Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this creamy power-packed smoothie that's perfect for a lazy morning or for bribing a sleepy teen out of bed. Want to see proof? Watch this. Works every time. So let's head on over to the kitchen and I'll show you how to make this recipe. First, you'll need to have some frozen berry mix for that vibrant, fruity flavor and natural sweetness. You need some bananas for extra creaminess and energy. Some old-fashioned oats to keep you full and satisfied. Chia seeds, these are small but packed full of nutrients. I like to add raw almonds for a bit of crunch and healthy fats. A generous scoop of Greek yogurt for that thick, rich texture. And finally, a splash of heavy cream to make it extra smooth and indulgent. And now it's time to blend this bad boy up with my amazing TOPZEE blender. This blender is so powerful, it guarantees a silky smooth texture. No chunks, just perfection. And there you have it, a smoothie that is so good, even the sleepiest teens approve. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. I love you all. See you guys in the next video. Bye.